Okay, so this is lesson 23. Do we want to get questions or we just go ahead and start?
I don't think I have any questions. Not at least right now.
I don't
Okay,
have questions.
so do you want to catch us up and then solve the ones that you didn't get, or
Yeah, let's do that.
do you want to share your screen?
Sure, I can do that. Okay, let's share this one. Okay, so, so here for question 3, the true linear regression, where those two are unknown, what are the non-alternative hypothesis? Going to be C right there. Um,
And that's from the book, right?
Yeah, that's from the book. So just the reading will show you that. It's right here. Yeah. But yeah, that's just straight out of the book. It's in the summary section too, I think,
Mhm.
or right above it. A residual, that's also in the summary, is the difference between observed value, y, and the value predicted by the regression line.
That's also conceptual.
Yeah, conceptual. Let's see. So a plot of residuals supports using linear regression when the residuals look normally distributed. So if they're normally distributed, then it's then excuse me, that supports using them. Let's see. So in this math self-efficacy, excuse me, um, if you go ahead and calculate the residuals and plot them, uh, they're scattered pretty randomly just between the only pattern in them is, or the only thing in them is that they're between -40 and 25 on
Okay.
the, yeah, that's really the only thing you can say about them. And then let's see, based on the QQ plots for these residuals, what can you say about these residuals? Well, they're fairly normal, at least, because it kind of goes along the line, except right at the very end, it just kind of they skirt off just a little bit, um, but not too much. So here's one of the ones I got wrong. I wasn't sure what I'm missing here, but oh, sorry. So oh, sorry. I need to fill in some of these ones as we go, because I didn't. Sorry. Distributed between. Okay. So, all right, on this one. So, to me, I thought everything was right, but so I guess I don't know. Like the x values are measured without error. I don't know. Um, I don't know what. Oh, where'd the reading go? I thought I had that up still. Um, yeah, I'm not sure which. Sorry.
Mm,
Yeah, because I thought all of them were, but
what about C? So C says that they are normally, but we said that they're fairly normal on the previous question.
yeah,
So I don't know if there's a difference in the way you say it or.
yeah. I think it's okay. Um, so I guess by this data,
We can say that A is right because they
yeah,
are.
they do have a linear relationship. The variance, as far as I could see, the variance of error term um, is constant. I don't actually know how to check that. So, like, oh, I don't know.
So the variance is the one that you don't know how to check it.
Yeah, the variance of the error term. You know,
So it says that you gotta use the residual plot.
the what kind of plot? The residual plot.
So it says no megaphone shape in the residual.
Oh yeah, okay. There's no megaphone. There's no pattern at all in that one. So that one should be. And then I guess from those things, I guess we don't know if the x values are measured without error. Like, I guess they don't tell us if that's true. And then
So you cannot assume that's right.
I guess I'm not sure. But you know, and then like, what about the observations are independent? Can we, like, I don't know if we can assume that, but I mean, I think they are.
Well, I'm looking at this section 3. It says checking the requirements for a simple linear regression.
Yeah,
And basically, in order for this to work, all those have to be checked,
true.
I think,
And-
because there are requirements for the linear regression model.
True. And when I select them all, it says 0 out of 1. So I don't know. I emailed him about it.
I
But I
wonder
haven't-
if the error term, because the error term over here, it says error term is normally distributed. And the other ones are not the same. Like the number 1 is word for word out of the book.
Right. So
But I don't know.
yeah. Which of the? Okay, so this is not the same, but all the others are. You said?
The X, so it says for 2 is not the same. 3, it says the variance for the error terms is constant for all values of X.
The error. What does it say?
The variance, oh, that's the
Okay.
second one.
Yeah. That's the
Okay.
second one. And then so, what about this fourth one? Well, I
The
know
fifth
they're
one
in
is
the-
there.
The fifth one is.
Yeah.
This one's not.
So 1, 2, or A, B, and then the very last one are in this.
No.
I can show the screen if you want.
Yeah, if you could do that, that'd be great.
You see it?
Yeah. Ah. Are fixed and measured without error, which is the.
That's all these.
Yeah. So this is the fourth one. The one it's just a slight change.
So here it says number 2 is the error terms are normally distributed, but over here it says the residuals are normally distributed.
Oh. Huh.
So I wonder if that one's wrong.
We can try that one.
We can try it that way. So uncheck the.
The middle one is
residuals.
unchecked,
We could try that.
because all the other ones are word for word out of the book.
Yeah. True. Yeah, just going back and saving. All right. Okay. So. So, what is B1 by estimating the slope? So if you run through and do the regression on it in the constants column, you find this one. It says 12.695.
So Landon, is there like a spreadsheet for this one, or did you use SPSS to do that?
I used SPSS. There is a spreadsheet for it, but I just used SPSS.
I'm just thinking for like,
And then
how's it gonna go for the exam, you know?
yeah, I didn't realize, but apparently these two were wrong as well. But I don't understand how, because I followed the instructions in the book, like for how to find them.
So should we try them with the spreadsheet then?
I don't know. I don't know if the spreadsheet.
You don't know if there's one.
Well, it does do it, but you'd have to look up instructions for it. Oh, come on. No. Sorry, I'm gonna try and start up the thing because I thought I got that one right. But
Honey, can you pull up your thingy,
what thing?
your SPSS?
I'm pulling it up. Yeah, I just gotta log in. What? Hold on. Sorry, it's being slow. Do you know if every time you log out, if it deletes the things you downloaded?
Yes, it does.
Okay, that's fine. I've bookmarked the download page. Okay. Just a second. Let's see. Where is that thing? Files. Okay. Alright. Which one is this? The math?
Yeah.
This one is, yeah, math self-efficacy, I think.
Yeah. Come on. Alright, it's just loading. Yeah, I was just trying to help speed things up for us tonight so we didn't have to spend too much time. Okay, so I'm going to analyze. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to pull up the instructions so I can see them.
You guys try to do it on that one. I'll try to do it on the spreadsheet that they provide to see if we get something different.
They provided a spreadsheet?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't see that again. It'd be nice if they told us about that.
I think it's on the first,
Last week's reading?
no. It's on this week's reading.
I didn't see it in the reading this week.
So it's on section 3.2. It says Excel instructions and then SPSS.
Yeah.
And the Excel one has all the.
There's no Excel instructions that I can see. 3.2, it goes straight into SPSS.
Okay, scroll up a little bit. Okay, I'll show you mine. That's funny.
Also, your camera's off, by the way. But that's okay.
Can you see it now?
Yeah. Okay, I see where yours has some. But yeah, mine does not.
Do you
Got
have
the
the PDF or are you going to the online
I
version?
go to the online one.
Yeah, me too. That's weird. Well, I guess he doesn't want you to use it.
I guess not.
Okay, let me
Well,
try
that's-
this one and then we can see.
yeah, okay. What the heck?
Ooh, how many? How many points?
Okay. So if you need to download it, if it's not on the regular file thing, you can go to byumath.com/statistics_files, and you can find all of them there.
Okay, I couldn't hear you.
Oh, if you go to this website, um,
Which one?
here, let me just type it on my screen if you look on the share screen. This is just where all of the things are. Uh,
So is there like an Excel version of this?
yeah, there's an Excel version if you go here.
That would be nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
go to this website right here.
So BYU, I can see it because it says sharing the screen.
Oh,
But can you pull it, bring it down a little bit?
hold up.
Ah, there it is.
Oh,
Okay. Oh,
could you see it for a bit?
yeah. So BYUimath.com.
Yeah, statistics files.
Statistics _files. Nice. So it's called math. Stuff. Oof, it is perfect.
Yeah. So,
So excited.
okay. Let's see. The laptop. All right, I'm gonna be trying to do this in here. So, all right, according to this,
Do you need to do them by gender also?
no. Just so let's see. Doing confidence intervals. Okay. So we open up. We on ours we press on SPSS, analyze, regression, linear. Move the dependent to the dependent. So they said that score is dependent and confidence is independent. And then it says select the,
Save.
what's that?
Dennis is save.
Oh, yeah. For the, you're looking at the confidence interval? That's what we're doing. So 5.1.
Huh?
Section 5.1.
Oh, I was in 3.2.
Yeah, go to 5.1 for the confidence interval. Okay, 95.
You
95.
guys know which one is the dependent and which one is the independent?
Earlier in the questions, they say treat the score as dependent and treat the confidence as independent.
Nice.
But to find it out in the real question, if you just read it, it'll say, it'll kind of be like, this depends on this. So
Yeah.
like for the crocodiles, the head size depends on the body length. Or the body length depends on the head size.
Yeah. And so it's what you're trying to predict is the dependent one. They're trying to depict the score based on the confidence. So, okay, so according to this, I appear, okay, statistics, press, oh wait, let's go back to that. Confidence interval for the regression. We got, under coefficient, select it, okay, continue, okay. So, according to this thing, oh, I selected the wrong one.
Okay, I got all the values now, so we can double check it.
Okay, I selected the wrong. I guess I went into the wrong column or something. But let's see. Okay, so all right. So if I'm reading this right now, then the lower bound, bless you, the lower bound should be,
Can I ask something?
yeah,
Your number 9 is correct then, right?
yeah. Number 9 is correct.
So it's 12.695.
Yeah, that's right. And then according to this, I'm getting, let's see, 10.674 as the lower bound.
Let me find it. Say the number again.
10.674.
Yep.
Where did you find that?
Right here. Oh, wait. I'll share that screen with you, Reed, because I'm not sharing that screen.
Well, I pulled it up myself.
Okay. Well,
I'm
here,
not seeing it anywhere on here.
let me,
I could have done the wrong test.
no, go back to it. Go back to it.
Well, on my screen it's showing it.
Right now I see oh, sorry, I had a dialogue up. Okay, scroll, let's see. Do you see, well, oh, okay,
14.7.
under coefficients, the
What?
coefficients box, that one? All right, so go down to confidence rating mean, the last two. Wait, oh, you didn't select the confidence interval. So
I thought I did.
click back to it. The other one, not there, Reed. You have no
Where?
data there. You have to go back to the other screen.
You can do the same thing, dude. I'm telling you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because that's not connected to the data, right? That's just the display.
Look,
Okay.
it has the same information.
Okay, it's just two different screens. So. Yeah, that's. Yeah, don't hit save. You're hitting the wrong one. So hit statistics. Confidence interval. And then continue. Okay. Okay.
There we go.
Yeah. So the bottom row is the one
Okay.
you want. Apparently, I was reading the top row before.
Okay. That would explain it.
Okay. All right. Well, that'll make things a lot easier.
With the other one is way easier though.
Yeah. Okay. So. All right. Okay. So and then on question 12, we have C, reject the null hypothesis because the p-value is less than the sigma, and then or alpha, and either one. And then if you reject it, what does it mean? It is D, that there is sufficient evidence to conclude that the slope of the regression line is not zero.
So, just to clarify, 12 is C,
Yes.
and 13 is D.
Yes. Yes. Okay. And then on 14, it's which is the dependent variable? It's the body length because they're using the head length to predict it. Okay. So now it says to construct the confidence interval and the margin of error. Let me, we can all do it if we want, but okay, so it's, what is that file called?
It's called Estrarin Crocodile.
Okay,
You
modified.
yeah.
Est,
What's the name of the file again? Extra what?
Extra crocodile modified.
Estrian crocodile or something like that.
Yeah.
It's like the first E one.
Okay, I see it now.
Yeah. Alright, so now analyze regression, linear, stats, confidence, okay? And then with the head length as the independent, body as dependent.
Okay, wait. Are you going over them?
Oh, yeah, I'm calculating.
Okay, you were talking about the SPSS stuff.
Yeah, I'm talking about SPS.
Okay, I thought you were going over some other thing.
No, not yet. Okay. Oh, that makes so much more sense. Okay. So, hold on. Let's see. Alright. So, let me just get my calculator real fast. Oh. No. Okay, so about 8.3 plus and 7. Alright, so I'm getting a margin of error of 0.443.
That's what I got to.
Okay, I haven't done it yet.
Okay.
Okay, say that again.
0.443 as the margin of error.
I don't get that one on this shit.
To get it, you take the lower bound minus the upper bound and divide it by 2.
Yeah, or you can just take the...
Yeah, but it gives you the error.
No, that's standard error, which is just error in evaluation.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Yeah, so if you take the B, or if you take the upper bound and just subtract B, then you have this margin of error.
Okay, I believe you then.
Yeah.
Okay, so then 15 is what again?
15 is 0.443.
Okay, and then the other guys are the same as the one that I have.
Okay. So it should be 7. Hold on.
7.218
Yeah.
and 8.103.
Yeah, I get those same values in this.
Last question.
So this one I got right. It's A.
Sweet.
All right. So if someone else would like to submit, because I've
I'll
already
submit
done
it because I'm already submitting it.
Yeah.
Okay, we got one wrong.
Which one?
I think yeah, number 8.
Number 8. Okay. How many points did it say you got?
What was it? It's 0 out of 1.
0 out of 1.
They don't give you partial credit.
Okay. Well, I don't know if it's not.
Do you have that one? Number 8.
I don't know, guys.
I think we can keep going and then we can go back and revisit the lesson by yourselves, so we can do the next one.
What was that? I couldn't hear you. You're kind of all hollow.
I'm saying that we should keep going to the next lesson.
Okay. All right. All right. Let's see. I think.
We can take this one here.
What's that?
I don't think it's open.
So it starts. Yeah, it starts tomorrow. It looks like.
Why did he do that?
I wonder if it's a review for the exam.
It's supposed to be a group.
A what?
It's the final, but not the final, but the
Review?
it's basically the group review.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Interesting.
That one we don't have to record.
Oh, okay. But that would be annoying to try and record that again. But it's okay.
Okay, I'm gonna finish this one then.
Okay.
So I was looking up the QQ plot section under 3.5 requirement summary.
Yeah.